Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on utilizing CartLingo for multilingual Shopify stores, the app that unlocks the full potential of your Shopify store and transcends language barriers. CartLingo empowers you to captivate customers worldwide like never before. Throughout this guide, we'll lead you through a systematic approach to delivering a seamless multilingual shopping journey for your valued customers. Now, install the app and follow the prompts to seamlessly integrate it with your Shopify store. Once installed, navigate to the app and initiate the setup process. Grant the necessary permissions to ensure smooth functionality. Activate a suitable plan. Choose between monthly or annual subscriptions based on your business requirements, and remember you have 7 days free trial. Let's dive in. On the dashboard, you have the option to translate either payment methods or shipping methods, and you can do so either from the Manage Translation button or directly from the options available on the dashboard. The interface is designed to be incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, making setup a breeze. Within the Markets window, you'll specify the market of your customers. Then, in the Name window, you'll select which payment method you wish to translate. Here, you'll find the same payment methods present on your checkout page. Of course, if a payment method is not already included, you can easily add it manually. On the left side, you'll indicate the language of your UI interface, matching the language used on your checkout page. On the right, you'll input the desired translation to display to the customer. If your store supports multiple languages, adding a new one follows the same straightforward process. Additionally, you can easily apply new translations for new payment methods simply by utilizing the option provided below. Furthermore, you have the option to add completely new translations that will function simultaneously. All of this can be accomplished on a single page, ensuring simplicity and fluidity in the process. As you can see from the store, the feature recognizes that the customer is from Italy and the site's set language is English. Just as intended, the payment method Cash on Delivery, COD, is translated to cash exactly as we wanted, as evident from the created rule. Now let's apply the same process for shipment methods. As you'll notice, the structure of the page is identical to that of payment methods, with the only difference being the selection of a shipment method. Also here you can easily add manually any new shipping method you need. After saving, you'll find your new rule conveniently located in the dashboard under the appropriate methods. With just a glance, you can immediately understand the various characteristics of the newly created rule. Moreover, from here, you can easily toggle rules on or off with a simple click whenever desired. Ready to elevate your Shopify store to new heights of global success? Start your multilingual journey today with CartLingo and watch your customer base expand across borders. Join us now and revolutionize the way you connect with customers worldwide. And if you need assistance or have questions about CartLingo, our dedicated support team is here to help you every step of the way.